So what is AI? AI was the term was coined by McCarthy back in 1955. And the overarching goal of AI is to create an alter ego of the human being. How do we do that? Well, we have to combine a number of disciplines, right? From economics to philosophy, linguistics, psychology, mathematics. We are trying to build a human, something that behaves like a human. There are two approaches to AI. What we call the classic or wide approach to AI and the narrow approach to AI. Wide AI is concerned with answering any question. Like I can ask this virtual intelligence about math, about science, about anything, and it will provide the right answer for me. Whereas narrow artificial intelligence, what it tries to do is to narrow the application domain. So that artificial intelligence is not going to be able to answer questions about everything, but I constrain my domain to a business unit or a department within the company or a subject matter, let's say any part of science or whatever. So there are two different approaches, right? And the general AI, to give you an example, is what IBM Watson is trying to do. They are trying to build a whole thing that is, very smart. I'm going to tell you that's doomed for failure. That is not the way AI is going to work. That is not how things are going to work. The approach that works is the narrow AI. Why? You narrow the domain and you have some agent, we call it agent, that knows a lot about that specific field of application. And then you move to the next field of application and then you do the same. And you make sure the agent is very smart in answering all the questions. So in essence, as opposed to going from the top down, which would be the wide approach to artificial intelligence, we go for the bottom up. So we start building buckets of knowledge and agents that know around that. And then on top of those, we put another agent that knows nothing about the really subject matter, but knows what the other guys knows. And when a question comes in, it's just relayed and relayed back. So examples of narrow AI is, you all hear about Deep Blue, the chess game, or Go. What they are doing there is just restricting the application domain and building software or training the software in a way that is very proficient and very intelligent in solving that particular problem. What are the areas that we are concerned when we talk about artificial intelligence? As you very well know, it's not just machine learning, and that's a big advancement. I've been giving this talk already a number of times, and always is the same. People think, and also because of the media pressure, that machine learning is AI, and that's wrong. Machine learning actually comprises 7 disciplines: knowledge representation, reasoning, natural language processing, machine learning being one of them, and I will not call it machine learning. I will call it machine training, but I will explain you later why. Planning, perception, and robotics, 7 of them.